Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video we have the bots of style of summer. Last bots that I have for my annual membership, so probably we will decide today if I am going to be renewing that membership or I'm just gonna buy bots depending what the bots is coming with. So we're gonna make that decision soon. Let's now open these bots, and this summer bot is this big, people. Okay, let's see how I am going to open this guy up. It seems like it's going to be a hard thing to do. We have actually a message in this box. Kind to the environment is always in style. Okay, I'm reading from this thing. We have keep the chic and reduce the waste by remaining our process and delivering this season curation in one box rather than two. No! We have saved enough cardboard to make up to the Hollywood sign 3 times over. Really? Alright. This is our first step in effort to become more sustainable. Enjoy. Okay. Let's move on. Hello, gorgeous. My collectible of boxes is over. Okay. Here we have the little information about this beautiful summer bots. And this is Rachel, the founder of these bots. Let's see what we have in here. We have a note from Rachel. I always read it for you, but this time we're gonna skip it and we're gonna jump into the first product, which I'm not extremely excited because I'm not traveling anywhere. All right, this product is valued in $159 and it's this beautiful bag in here. I believe everything else is inside here, so I think everything's inside in this bag because this is empty, nothing else is there, so everything is inside the bag. And here is the bag. It's super big. It's like huge. I love it. You know what? Forget about what I said before that I'm not traveling. I don't care about this. I do care about this. I love the color. I love everything. It's leather in the bottom. These pins here. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, let me show you. I'm gonna stand up. All right. This is how the bag looks like. Oh my lord, I cannot fit in the frame. All right, people, this is how the bag looks like. It's so big, it's big, it's like big. I like this bag. I like it. It has compartments inside. It has 2 compartments inside here, and it has a zipper compartment in this side. It has this little guy right here, super cute. We have stuff in there, probably everything else from the box. From overnight stays to long weekends getaway, pair it with your comfiest jet setting sweet suit of summer mid dresses. Okay, this product is by Henry plus Leaf of LEV. Canvas Weekend, $159. And the picture is just like this product. Obviously, the picture has everything full. But yeah, that's how the product looks like. And I wish he'd give us more information about the materials and things like that. But they don't. I don't know why they don't. The next product is this one. Grown Alchemist. Oh my god, I'm butchering this thing. Hydro Repair Day Cream Camellia Geranium Blossom. Okay, it's a cream. It's a cream, definitely. I haven't ever used this product before, so I had no idea what to do with it. I might pass it on to somebody else. But again, this is a moisturizer for the daytime. Oh, now next we have a Cosa product. I really like this brand. I don't tend to buy everything from them, because I'm being cautious with the type of products that I buy for my collection. I have a lot of makeup, but I really like Cosas in general. This is the Dramatic Duo. As you see, it has weird dots in the middle. I don't know if it does. That looks weird. I don't know what is that. It has one here, one in the other corner, like in this corner right here. No, in this corner, like in the middle right there. You see that one? And it has also this one and this one. I don't know what is that, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to wear this in my face. This is the darker shade, and this one right here is the light shade. So it's like a blush and highlighter situation. I really like how it looks in my skin. It's very, very youthful, beautiful, and very, very nice colors. Both of them are very, very cute. The name of this product is Cosa Color Light Palette Tropic Equinox, $34. So it is in the high, right there, high-end price. I love the simplicity of the packaging, but I also would rather be something a little more luxurious for $34. We have two products in here, and again, this is basically made in USA and distributed here in California. It has 0.32 ounces or 9 grams of product. It lasts 18 months and is cruelty free. So definitely I will give a go and see how it works. I'm a little concerned for those two spots, but I don't think I can see them anymore. Maybe it was a separation of the formula because it's a cream formula. Lately I've been liking cream formulas a lot. I don't know if that color is meant to be a bronzer. I don't see here what is this supposed to be. No, this is a cream blush and highlighter, definitely. Yeah, it's a blush and a highlighter. I like this orange color. I like that color. So I'm definitely gonna try that and let you know guys what I think about it. But I'm happy to have another Cosas product. This maybe have made my entire box already. Ooh, the next product we have here is these earrings. Let's look at them. They look very pretty. I don't like the price. They're $55. I think that's a little bit pricey. And they are these ones right here. They look so pretty. I love them. They're so cute. I don't like the price though. $55. I think it's a little bit too expensive. I don't know if you pronounce this brand Panacea or Panacea, but that's the name of the brand. Again, these earrings are $55. Let's see how they look on me. And there we go. What do you guys think? They look pretty, right? I like it. I like it. It's so tropical. Like, Okay, let me put the other one. They're heavy. They are heavy. Oh boy. Yeah, that is where the $55 are from. From the heaviness of this product. It's heavy. It's a little heavy. I'm not, you know what's the other thing? I'm not used to heavy earrings. I avoid them on all costs. I don't really like heavy earrings. But here they are. I like them though. I wish I had opened this box before. Be more tropical today. Ooh. Boy. Okay. We're doing good this box. We're doing good. The last item. This thing. She loves to send you clothing pieces, which I don't like. Sometimes she sends good things, sometimes she doesn't. This is a cover up. Let's look at it. I don't really go to the ocean. You know what? I'm not gonna even open up. I'm gonna leave it like that. Sorry guys that I'm not showing you. I'm just gonna pass it out to somebody brand sticky new. I'm going to insert some pictures that I might probably find online here for you to get an idea. What is this? But this is worth how much money? It doesn't even have a price. Oh my god! $195 for a cover up. $195, like, juicy. No juicy. I don't agree with that price whatsoever. Who makes these things? Peter Zoom Dream Floral. Now for that price, give me Chanel, baby. Chanel. Chanel. Gucci. No. No, 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 no. That's too much money for my heart. Let's see how much is my bots. So we have the all weekend big canvas toe. That is $159. That's also a little up there in price. We had this ridiculous cover up for $195. There we go. We have $154 that I don't agree with already. Then we go with the more scents. We go back to the scents with the $49 day cream, and then we go with Cosas, which is $34. Might be one of my favorite things here. Be realistically speaking, the one that I might just only use. These are cute, but they're heavy. And then we have $55 earrings, and that's it. My box is $492. We paid $99.99 for this box, and we received $492 in products. Do I agree with all these products? Absolutely not. The one that I believe is the worst is this cover up, $195. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. This is the last time I'm buying these bots, unless I see a bot that is divine and I get it. Besides that, I don't think I'm just gonna go ahead and buy a whole year and see what she sent me. I'm not gonna do that. This is my last a whole year membership. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that this video was informative and entertaining for you. I don't know what to do with these earrings. Okay guys, you tell me, should I keep them? Do they look good on me, or should I move along, like give them to somebody or do something with them, because I'm not sure what to do with them. Leave me your opinion down below. Let me know what should I do with this, if they look good on me or not. Be honest. If they don't look good on me, just tell me, Heidi, forget about those earrings. They don't look good on you, or they look divine on you. Let me know down below. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that this video was entertaining for you, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also give a big thumbs up to this video. Make me a comment down below. What do you think about these bots? What do you think about these earrings? Should I keep them or not? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.